Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before I start the review, I have to make a couple of announcements because we have launched a couple of softwares for you. It's called Review to Profit AI and it's called Launch to Profit AI, as you can see here, okay? So I'm going to talk about these two things first because you need them if you are an affiliate or into affiliate marketing, or you want to promote something like, you want to create some reviews or some YouTube videos and you don't know how to do it and you want some done for you system, then these two software will help you. Okay, so just give me 3-4 extra minutes here so that I can explain this to you. This is my official announcement. These software belong to me. I have created it. So once we talk about that, after that we will surely start the review, and make sure you watch the video till the end to go and get these bonuses if you buy the copy from my link below, or I'll tell you exactly the real methods which I use in my personal online life to make money on the internet. Okay, so how do you get to these two software? The link below, it says check out my Warrior Plus products. So you click on that link right here, and then it will open a new tab, and then you will see two Profit AI software. One is Launch to Profit and the other one is Review to Profit AI. Review to Profit AI is live. You can buy it right now if you want to after watching the demo which I'm going to show you. The full demo video is available on the sales page. So you click here, or you right click, open the sales page, and you can just go and watch this full demo video for Review to Profit AI. And again, for Launch to Profit, you right click, you open it in a new tab, and then you simply go and scroll down and watch this full demo video to see how these software work and if you need them or not. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just quickly show you a sample demo here. So I'll just copy one of the sales pages here. Okay, so I'm going to copy the sales page and I'm going to go to Review to Profit AI first. This is the first software. So this software is live when I'm recording the video, and Launch to Profit is officially not live on Warrior Plus yet. When I'm recording this video right now, it's not live yet. It will be launching after 12th of June 2026. So if you're watching this video somewhere later on, then that means it's available to be purchased. Okay, if you have any questions, you can always email, and you can buy, if you want to buy Review to Profit AI after watching the demos. Okay, I'm going to show you how this Review to Profit can help you with what. So we're going to type in a product name right here quickly. So let's take an example. I'm going to type in Launch to Profit AI. That's my product name. And then I'm going to type in the URL, the sales page link. Okay, or it could be your affiliate link as well. Okay, so you type in your affiliate link, sales page link, and main benefit, what does it do? Creates content automatically. Just type in some keywords about your offer. Okay, I'm just showing you for demo purposes. In the product type, you can choose either of these. I will keep it to maybe AI tool, and I'm going to quickly create on generate campaign. Okay, so once you hit generate campaign, you get your affiliate article, as you can see here. And I'm showing you the shortcut. The full demo video is available on the sales page here. You go and watch the full demo video for both the softwares. Okay, so it generates the article here, it generates YouTube script here, it generates email promo, bonus page prompts, social media prompt, AI visuals, and not only that, what you need to do is, these are the prompts. Okay, these are all prompts. You have to click on open in ChatGPT, and it will automatically take you to ChatGPT, and you don't even have to copy. All you have to do is paste as in Control V, and everything is right there. Okay, so once you do Control V, everything is right there. All you have to do is just click this arrow, and ChatGPT, for example, if I show you, and the ChatGPT will give you all the content which you need to publish on your website. Okay, so this is what you can get from Review to Profit AI, and go and watch the full demo on the sales page. And let's get to this Launch to Profit AI. Launch to Profit AI is right here. In this case, what you can generate is review campaigns, bonus pages, this and that. I'll practically show you, but you have to go and watch the full demo video. I'm trying to make it as quick as possible. So in this case, I'll take the sales page of Review to Profit AI, vice versa, right? So come back here, and product name is what? It's Review to Profit AI, and my benefit is it creates prompts to generate content, right? You can take your time, type in whatever you like there. I will just type in my affiliate link or the sales page URL here. All these things are optional. You can type in the vendor name if you want to. You can target audience, this and that. It's all optional. I will choose the platform which the offer is launched on. So Warrior Plus, JVZoo or whatever. So just I will leave it on Warrior Plus. Then niche will be any of these things. So I'll leave it on AI, and then authority. This is the writing tone. So professional, this and that. I'll keep on authority just for demo purposes. Okay. And then I will click on generate campaign right here, and you can see my entire article for this review to profit is generated. As you see it's all generated here, and you can copy this, download this, and paste on your website, and it's all ready to go. 2000 words, as you can see. Not only that, it's only the tip of the iceberg. You have bonus page. Okay, so you have the content for the bonus page here as well, you can see. Okay, so go and watch the full demo video. Bonus page, you get emails, you get YouTube script, you get social media, this and that. You get never ending, and you scroll further and you go and you get up to visuals. Okay, so go again, watch the full demo video for launch to profit right here, and then decide which one you want. You can get both of them. Okay, so just go on the sales page and check out if this launch or not, because launch to profit as of now, let me see. As of now, it's not live. It shows coming soon, but if it will be live, you will be able to buy. Review to profit is absolutely ready to buy. Okay, you can always buy review to profit AI if you want to. All right, there you go. So I guess we are done, and you can always go and watch the full video. So how do you go about that? Click on check out all my Warrior Plus products, and you come here and you right click on each of them, and then go to their sales pages, and then you simply watch the demo video and then take action. Okay, thank you for watching and listening to my announcements. Now let's start the review, and make sure you watch the video till the end to get your bonuses and how to know exactly how I make my money. Thank you, keep watching. All right, guys, let's do this AffiliEngine AI review. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? You will probably find the link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab AffiliEngine AI copy here. Click on that link and come to the sales page. And then you have to go and watch this demo video. I'll show that demo video here as well. So you have to see this demo video. What does it say? It says one-click software creates done-for-you Amazon affiliate sites automated with the power of AI. Write every review, import every product, publish every post, all automatically while you watch. Okay. So you're supposed to create some done-for-you Amazon review websites. Okay. So you will be importing products from Amazon, write the reviews. I mean, the AI will write the reviews on your website with your affiliate link using ChatGPT. And if somebody will buy from your link on your website, then you make some Amazon commissions. That's how it's gonna go work. It's gonna work for you. Okay. So let's get to the bottom here, and we have some question answers. So how many sites can I create? In the front end, you can create one site only, and you have to upgrade for that. So I'll give you a discount coupon for front end, which is, let me show you, it is AEVIP4 to get $4 off funnel wide. Okay, so try this coupon code to get your $4 off, and come back here. Do I need to purchase anything else? You will need to have a ChatGPT API account. So you'll have to have some API from ChatGPT, and they I guess charge pennies for every request. Okay, so every time you type in every time you pull up the review from ChatGPT in the backend, they will charge you a few pennies. Do I need the Amazon API? No, it gives you 100 credits to use. Okay, so you have to go and watch the demo video on the sales page right here at the top, in which they will talk about everything. I can show you the finished product. Okay, so when you come and create everything in the dashboard, then this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how your review on your WordPress website would look like. And you can scroll down. It will have your affiliate links, and if somebody comes to your website somehow, and if they read this review and they click on that link, and if they go to Amazon, then if they buy, then you make commission. That's the main concept. Okay, so the software will pull up the content from ChatGPT. So the software will pick up the products from Amazon, and then the AI will write the reviews. And if somebody comes on your website to read your review and buy from your link, then you make some commission. That is the theoretical concept. Okay, so if you want to buy this AffiliEngine AI, you can go and buy the copy from my link below. My links are showing pending right now, I guess. So they should be approved in next 24 hours. So below my video, it might be saying grab the copy. So if you want the bonuses as well, which I have shown you in the beginning, so you can grab the copy using my link so that you can get my bonuses too. And let's talk about the OTOs. And here are the OTOs. This is the front end in $27. OTO one is in 47 unlimited. Okay, done for you option is 97. AffiliEngine AI reseller 197. I marketing hosting 39 slash 59 per year. So go and check out these OTOs. If you want them, you can upgrade. Otherwise, you can pick up the front end. And especially if you want my bonuses, surely you have to go and buy the front end. Okay, so go and pick up the copy using my link below. And now watch the video till the end as I will explain my bonuses and how to make real money online. Alright guys, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about my real methods which will make you real money if you follow them. So below the video you have many links, but I will go ahead and talk about bonuses as well. So stick till the end. And right now let me show you my YouTube profile. If you don't know me, then you will know me by looking at my YouTube channel. So once the YouTube profile is open or you click on my channel name, then go to playlist here. And in playlist, you could see that I have done these reviews 1647 times already, okay, before this video. So you can see affiliate product reviews, and there is a number of 1647 videos, which means I have done these reviews for a number of years. I started this, I think, 5 years ago, and then I left these reviews 3 years ago, and then I changed my field to forex trading, as you can see here. Okay, so the methods which I'm going to talk about, they are not like I woke up from my dream and I'm telling you do this. No, I have been doing those methods or using those methods to make money for myself for a number of years. Okay, so one method is obviously YouTube, make videos and make money, or sell something in a YouTube and make money. We'll talk about that in a moment. Another method is forex trading, which I have done. As you can see, I was doing reviews, then I switched to forex trading, and then I can mix both of these things. I can do reviews, I can do trading, so it's fine for me. So come back here and let me close this one, by the way. So first of all, let me get this thing out of the head that who this trading is for. Can you do it or not? That's not the right question. The right question is, do you have the money to invest or not? Okay, if you're broke, this is not for you. If you live on paychecks, salary to salary, it's not for you. If you are on a budget, it's not for you. It's only for people who have funds available or flexible with the funds. Okay, if you don't have money to invest, it's not for you. That's it. Okay, if you have the funds, if the money is sitting in your bank account doing nothing, then yes, you can try investing into trading, and you can join my mentorship program. So you click on this link called Swing Like a Pro, and then you go to the page, enter your email. After that, you will come to this page here where you can go and watch these setups or the trades which we have taken in the recent past. Okay, and these are like short videos, 2 minutes videos. Each video will be long, 2 minutes, and you can go and check out my knowledge, that if I know anything or not. So go and check out these things in your free time. And then the second method is obviously make money on YouTube. Anybody can do it. We click on this link here, and you can get to your YouTube channel monetized just within 4 weeks. Go and watch the testimonial right here. You can see the testimonial, enter your name, email. After that, you will come to this page right here, and you will be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within 2-3 weeks, and get your YouTube channel monetized, full blown monetized within 1 month. Okay, testimonials are right there on the page here. Go and check them out. And then you can make money with YouTube ad revenue. As you can see here, you can make money by selling something, by affiliate marketing, this and that, this and that. Okay, go and check out everything in your free time. I'm giving you all the methods which I have used in my online life. Okay, trading for people who have the money. YouTube, anybody can make if you have the knowledge, but you have to go and get Traffic Jarvis to get this knowledge. Okay, Traffic Jarvis is right here, the YouTube course. And then we have this get 100 email leads per day. In case you want 100 email leads per day and you want to sell them anything, any offer of your choice, then this system will give you 100 leads per day, and also the system or the software so that you can email them once per day. And you can see I had been making this kind of money from number of years. It's never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending. It's never ending, never ending, never ending. It will not make you rich. $5 here, $5 there. It will not make you rich, but it's never ending, as you can see. Okay, it's coming, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring, it's reoccurring. Okay, it will not make you rich, but if you want couple of $100 per month, extra, it might help you. Again, results are not guaranteed. All the results, depends on your consistency, on your discipline, on your hard work. My results are based on my hard work. Okay. And then if you do not know what to do exactly, if you're not sure at all, you don't know what's going on here, you can speak with me. Okay, you can talk to me one-to-one consultation. It says book one-to-one consultation. You click on this link right here, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes on audio call. Scroll down, you can book your 40 minutes audio call for $97. You click here and you make the payment, and after the payment you email me your timing. When do you want to speak? What is your availability? Or you can even email before the payment. You can email, and we can fix the timing, and you can make the payment, and then you can talk to me for 40 minutes, and you can discuss anything you want. You can discuss your affiliate marketing, YouTube thing, if you want to make money on YouTube, or how to start with affiliate marketing, or you want to do email marketing, or you want to try trading. Whatever your questions will be related to MMO, make money online, or whatever you have in your mind, I will help you to answer. I'll talk to you, help you, whatever I can help you with. Okay, so if you want to speak with me because you don't know what to do, you can book consultation with me. And let's talk about the bonuses now. So bonus is if you go and buy the product from my link below. So let's say you find the link below my video which says grab copy, and you go and buy, then the links will be automatically then the bonus will be automatically delivered. Okay, you will get a free lifetime email autoresponder, so that you can email for free for lifetime, and you can grow your email list. And you will get also 2 hours of video training, which is kiss jacking. Kiss jacking means keep it simple. So it's like doing what I'm doing right now in this training. Okay, so if you want to make these reviews and get some sales and make some money, then go and get this kiss jacking training and learn how am I doing this, what I'm doing right now, for free. Okay, and there's Forex Profit Machine. If you have no idea what this trading is all about, I am giving you 11,000 words of PDF. It's totally for beginners, and if you go through this PDF, you will know exactly what Forex trading is. Okay, if you have any questions at any point of time, you can go and email me. If you want to buy Review to Profit AI, if for example, in the beginning, I have shown you this. I have shown you Launch to Profit AI. Okay. Anyway, so let's do a quick recap. Okay, you can get these bonuses if you go and buy the product using my link below, for which we have done the review in the beginning. Or else you can also get these bonuses if you buy Review to Profit or Launch to Profit from my not from my link, because these are my software anyway. Okay, so Review to Profit, Launch to Profit, they are my software anyway, so you are buying directly from me. In that case, what you have to do is you have to just email me the receipt, the purchase proof that you have bought Review to Profit AI or Launch to Profit AI, and then ask me to send you the bonuses, and I will manually email you this link where you can grab these bonuses. Okay, so whether you buy the third party product for which I'm doing the review, or whether you buy this Review to Profit or Launch to Profit, you will get your bonuses. It's just that you have to email me when you buy these two things from me, Review to or Launch to AI Profit. These things, if you buy, you have to just email me, and I'll send it manually. I hope you understand it. Okay. So I guess let's wind this up. And if you have any questions, this is the email. And if you want to make money, use these methods. Either try trading if you have the money. Otherwise, just come and make money on YouTube, get your channel monetized, or get 100 leads, or you can book consultation with me if you are confused. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video. Till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.